Hello, welcome to the new video. In this video, I will show you how to begin fresh with start page in Opera GX. So first launch the browser from your desktop or taskbar. On the left bottom side, click on the gear icon. This is also called settings. Now scroll down and here you can see that you need to click on the begin fresh with startup page. The browser will open with a clean start page showing shortcuts, weather, news and GX corner, games and deals like. And any old tabs or session won't be auto load. You can now customize the start page however you like, remove titles and new ones or change the background. So if you want to retain tabs from previous session, then you have to click on this. So you have to click on this radio tab. And if you want to splash a screen on a startup, then click on that and add a new page. Here you can click on that and here you can like any page, like if I am google.com, then my page will be start from the Google. Now I am closing this one and now I am again opening this one. So here you can see that the new tab is opened with the Google search bar. So I hope this video helps you a lot. Thanks.